Welcome, dear children. Civics, Standard 7th, Lesson number 4, Fundamental Rights, Part 1. Introduction. We get rights at birth. Every newborn baby has a right to live. The entire society and government takes efforts to ensure that the baby is in the best of health. Only when all individuals get protection from injustice, exploitation, discrimination, and deprivation will they be able to develop their skills and qualities. The Indian Constitution has guaranteed equal rights to all citizens in order to create this conducive situation. These rights are called fundamental rights. As they are included in our Constitution, they have the status of law. It is imperative for everybody to abide by these laws. Means it is compulsory for everyone to follow these laws. Some fundamental rights. See over here, there are some pictures. Education is our right. We must get the assurance of a minimum wage. It is our right. We have a right over forests and its resources. Our rights as mentioned in the Constitution. Let us understand the rights of Indian citizens included in the Constitution. First right is right to equality. According to the right to equality, the state cannot discriminate among citizens as superior, inferior, or as man, woman, and cannot give different treatment or privileges to anybody. Means what? All are equal in the eyes of law. The same law applies equally to all. Many laws give us protection. For example, we have protection from arrest without warrant. Police cannot come and arrest us without any reason. For arresting, they should have a warrant. What other things are included in the right to equality? The state cannot discriminate against any citizen on grounds of religion, caste, race, sex, descent, or place of birth or residence for government employment. The inhuman practice of untouchability that was prevalent in our country has been abolished by law. The practice of untouchability in any form is a cognizable offense. Means what? If anybody is practicing untouchability, that person can be arrested without a warrant. This practice has been abolished in order to establish equality in Indian society. Right to liberty. This is a very important right given by the Constitution. It gives a guarantee of all the freedoms necessary from the point of view of the individual. As Indian citizens, we have the right to freedom of speech and expression, freedom to assemble peaceably, freedom to form associations or unions, freedom to move freely throughout the territory of India, freedom to reside and settle in any part of the territory of India. Means any Indian can make a house anywhere in India. If he is a Maharashtrian, he can purchase a house in Gujarat also. Freedom to practice any lawful profession or to carry on any occupation, trade, or business of one's choice. It is not necessary that if a person's father is a doctor, the person also will have to become a doctor. No, he is free to carry out his own occupation or business. Now, the right to liberty in the Constitution has guaranteed us the freedom of speech and movement. For example, we all have a right to life. It appears to be simple, but it has a deep meaning. Nobody can take away another's life. No person can be arrested and detained without any reason. The right to liberty now also includes the right to education. All children between 6 and 14 years of age are entitled to get education as a fundamental right. This ensures that no child will be deprived of education. Rights against exploitation. The rights against exploitation implies the right to prevent exploitation. While the Constitution has banned all types of oppression through the right against exploitation, it has made a special provision to prevent the exploitation of children. For that, the government has prohibited to employ children under 14 years of age in hazardous places. Children cannot be employed or made to work in factories and mines. Exploitation includes bonded labor or forcing somebody to work against his her wish, treating somebody like a slave, making them to do more and hard work, starving them or ill treating them. Starving means not giving them food on time. Generally, women, children, the weaker sections of society, and powerless people are exploited. Who are exploited? Children, women, and weaker sections of society. This right enables us to stand up against any kind of exploitation. Thank you.